What's happening to YouTube? This is Mike. Tips and tricks for surviving a flatbed lifestyle. I'm finally getting unloaded here in Laredo, Texas. I think this guy waited till it stopped raining to come outside. Therefore, in appreciation of that, I'm going to video him doing his job. Because ain't nothing he can do about it anyway. Call it safety reasons. Like I said, he get me unloaded, but he stayed inside till it stopped raining. So now, he gets the privilege of being videoed. It's not exciting. It's just something I'm doing. They're almost finished over there. Almost done. It's a beautiful day here in Laredo, Texas. At Hessen. We're in Hessen. Got a few more pieces left. I'm gonna strap down those tarps. Because this is too. And we're gonna go on to another shipper in Laredo and get another load and go up north. Mike, in Laredo, Texas, live. Nah, we're not live, but yeah. Mike, I talked to the Mike 747. Getting unloaded in Laredo, Texas. On a Wednesday. Hump day. Hump day. Mike 747. Tips and tricks. My man gonna get it done. I know he can do it. He got it in him. But not drop that ish. Come on, tilt it back. This is gonna take a minute, y'all. It's a process. Mike 747, tips and tricks for surviving the flatbed lifestyle. Like, share, subscribe. Happy hump day.